Have you ever wondered what creatures lurk in the shadows of our world, capable of bringing down the mightiest of beasts? Every year, over 100,000 people lose their lives to animal attacks. From venomous snakes to apex predators like crocodiles and great white sharks, these are nature's lethal weapons. I'll never forget locking eyes with a crocodile, just meters away in a muddy river. In that moment I knew I was prey. So the next time you step into the wild, ask yourself, who's really watching who?